Hey, remember I told you from time to time I would talk about other things other than the actual framing and stuff on the house, and I said there was 3 things I wanted to talk about, and I could only remember 2. You remember? I said one was fire sprinkler issues, one was a handicap issue, and I couldn't remember what the last one was, and I got home and I'm thinking about it, and it hit me. I know what it is. HOA. HOA. Details and certain aspects that could come up, and so I'm just going to take this time right now to talk about HOA. What is HOA, by the way? That's Homeowners Association. HOA, Homeowners Association. Not all houses are in a Homeowners Association, but if yours is, or if you don't even know, make sure you check it out and find out, hey, am I in the Homeowners Association? Because you know what? I'll bet you this house right here is in a homeowners association. We're in a homeowners association, and there's certain things you can do, certain things you can't do. Certain colors you can paint the house, certain colors you can't paint the house. Certain trees you can put in, certain trees you can't put in. Certain garage doors you can put in, certain garage doors you can't put in. So they have a list of everything that you need to know. And so when you get ready to build your house, if you find out you're in an HOA, or check it out and find out one way or another. If you're in an HOA, go to their office. They'll give you a sheet. They'll give you a handout for new homeowners build, contractors build on the house. They'll give you a whole list of stuff, and then you can look at that, see how it pertains to you. Because I'll tell you, if you don't do that, you could get messed up, because maybe you design the roof in such a way to where the homeowners association says, hey, I don't like how your roof goes. Some people nowadays in certain areas, they want a roof that just goes up like that. You know, in certain places, well, in this area you can't do that if all the other houses in the homeowners association doesn't have that type of, if they don't have that type of roof, you can't do that. I know another house that was built fairly close to us. They wanted to install certain things on the outside, like stucco finish. They wanted some siding on the side, and they nixed the siding on the front, and they made them put cultured brick, fake brick, on the outside. They gave them 2 or 3 different things that they could pick from, and that's what they ended up picking. Now, the architect, he didn't have that on there. They had to change the roof line. They had to change something on the garage door. I think they might have had to have changed. And so think about all that kind of stuff, because that could change certain things, the certain color. You'd hate to build something and then find out, you know, now you have a homeowners association problem. You get your neighbors complaining about this, that, or the other thing. Hey, how come he got to do that? We couldn't do that on our house. And then I don't know what would happen. Or you painted it a certain color, and then somebody complained about it, and now you had to repaint your whole house exterior because you didn't follow their directions. So that's one thing I wanted to point out on homeowners associations, okay? Very, very important. Well, that's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.